I know you might have seen this. Let me scroll to the app top. This one also, you might have seen all these things over here on YouTube. The name of this app is called this website rather is called Hoop. I don't know how you call it in your um country, but the name of this app is, to my perspective, is known as Hoop. So what this thing does is that it makes you pays you per video that you make on the internet. So what you're going to do is to go to you Google and search for Hoop, right? Yeah, after searching on that, you just hit on the first link that comes, although it's a sponsorship, but you just have to click on that. It's going to land you in a dashboard like what you see, where they are going to ask you to sign up with us, go through the sign up process and then sign up. And I'm going to bore you with the sign up process, so you just have to go to um your browser and then sign up with this account, and it's going to land you straight to this platform where the dashboard like what you see, but yours is going to look different altogether. So what you need to do is to come to the section where it says discover. Just click on this button where it says discover, just click on that, and it's going to land you on the dashboard like what you see, similar to this or the same dashboard like this. All you need to do is to hit on show more over here. Just hit on show all over here. Just wait for it to load. Once it's loading, let's take this advantage to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. I know you might, if today be your first time of seeing me on the internet, my name is Richman. I do videos about how to make money online. Subscribe to Hustle with Hustle Blueprint, and then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video like this, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. Without being said, let's get down to the video again. So let's come to this section over here where it says discover everything, and then you need to do is to come to this section and select an offer that you want to promote. But before then, don't be in a haste and go out there to promote anything. Just watch the video from start to finish. Let me show you a key secret that you can use to make money online with this platform. This platform pays you a lot, but one thing they do is they pay you per 1,000 views that you're going to get on your video. So you can check over here at the top section over here that this video pays you 0.30 per 1,000 views. You can see this one pays you 1.5 cents, $1.05 50 cents over here, and this one also pays you $7. This one pays you $2. You can see on and on and on. And one thing you need to do is to go to this section, the top section, right? Go to the top section over here, and then just filter by just hitting on this and say highest CPM. So with this, you're going to get all the highest CPM offers on this platform, the highest CPM that is paying other people. So one thing you're going to do again after doing that is to join any of these. But other thing that you need to focus on is this social platforms over here. So all these offers varies according to the social platform that they want the traffic from. So you can see some of them want traffic from TikTok, whilst others also need traffic from YouTube, and all some of them also need traffic from different source of traffic. So all you need to do is to check those traffic, whether your traffic source is coming from all these three social icons over here. That means you're good to go. So I'll recommend you go with those with TikTok, because TikTok is very easy to get 1,000 views as compared to other YouTube and other social networks out there. So I prefer you go with TikTok. But before then, let's go back to the highest variable by available budget over here, those with highest money. So what you need to do is to join any of these. But one thing also you need to take good look at is this part where it says type of offer over here. So the offers are different, and some of them are UGC, and then some of them are clipping offers. So you just have to take very close look at them before you go out there to promote them. So this is it. So you can see over here it says clipping. So what you need to do is to add at least 15 seconds of that according to what the owner or the offer is talking about. You just have to read it very well. So what you need to do if you want to join any of these platforms is to click on the offer that you want to join, and then you come to the section where it says join. So before you join, you just have to read this. It says earn money by showing e-money. E-money's biggest win to make earn money based on the number of views that you generate. So you can join with this, and you can see join by hitting on this join button, and they are going to allow you to join the platform. So you can see over here that is loading. Just wait for the check mark to appear like what you see right now, and you've joined the group. Right after joining them, you don't have to waste much of your time on this offers. Just join the offer that you want to join, and you're good to go. And you come to, there's going to load an offer like what you see right now. So you can see display name over here. Just typing all these things that I want to type in, and then let's go back to Whop again. All right, so on the Whop button, let's switch to this platform, this section where it says home. So just click on the home button over here, and right after clicking on home button, you need to scroll from this side to end section. So you just have to click on end section over here. We are here to earn money, so you just have to click on that, and you just have to scroll through them. Don't just click on anything. So these are types of offers that people are making money. These are the type of videos that people are making. So you can start earning by just you also creating this kind of videos for them. So you just have to scroll through them, and then until you find this kind of offer that says content rewards. So you just have to click on that. So you can see most people are making money with this platform. Let me find one over here, and then I'll click on that for you as to also make money with that. So after scrolling through it, I just want to click on this offer over here. So I've clicked on that, and it's going to load the offer for me. So this offer pays you $2 per 1k view that you are going to get, and the offer type is clipping. So you can see over here that it says reward, category is for the creators, and you can see the type of offer is clipping, and the type of social network that they need traffic is TikTok and then Instagram. So it's very easy, or it's very easy for you. So all you need to do is to select or just click on the offer over here, and you can see over here that they say submit your post for review within 1 hour of publishing on to start getting views, to start getting paid. So all you need to do after creating your video and uploading them on YouTube, what you need to do is to submit it to the owner of the offer in order to review the offer, to tell you whether there is a mistake in it or not. And right after doing that, 1 hour before after posting your video, within that same hour, you just have to upload or send your link to them in order for them to review. Yes, after doing that, you need to come to this bottom section. After reading of everything on this, you just have to come to this bottom over here. So minimum payout is $4 over here. So that's not what's important right now, but you need to come to this section where it says assets over here. So these are the things that you're going to need in order to promote the things that you are going to clip, or in order to get whatever the tools that you need to use to promote the offer that you are promoting. So you can go straight to this section of clicking on the Google Drive link over here. By clicking on that, it's going to load the offer for you. So you just have to come to the session, or just have to hit on download, and it's going to download everything that you need for you. But there are certain things that you need to know. So I bought a 200 and so in car, so you can click on that and watch the video of what the person is talking about. So this is the video that the person is talking about. So you can also watch the video and learn how this person was able to create this kind of videos, and you can also edit and create that same kind of video. So this is no other is important. You just have to do it. And sometimes you don't have to do a dedicated video. You just have to do it some give them some at least 15 seconds, and right after doing that, you're going to make money online. So right after doing anything that you want to do, like if after publishing, you just have to come to the section where it says submit over here, and you can see over here you just have to add this kind of tags to your offer. Yes, so the requirement, you just have to add everything over here, because you know you just have to, you must have a Whop affiliate link in your bio, and you must also have this as your usernames to the website that you are promoting. So if TikTok, you must use these usernames in it. So you must have ant or this repeat in it as your username. So let's take it that you have your username over there. You must add these names over here to your username, and you must clip at least you must be 15 seconds plus. So if you're doing like I'm doing if I'm doing 1 hour video, I can add like 15 seconds of the video that they are talking about in it in order to make money online. So if you're providing them the link, you can provide them the link of the social media account where you promoted the offer. Yes, you just have to come to the session and then you upload. If you have uploaded everything, you can just upload the video to them, or you can just provide them with the link and they are going to watch everything, or you must give them the screenshot or video recording of whatever you did, how you everything is done, and they are going to review it, and right after doing that, they are going to pay you off your effort that you put in that. But some people are very curious about how they are going to withdraw their money. So with the withdrawal process, is very simple. All you need to do is to click on this human button, like profile button over here, and come to this section where it says balance over here. Just click on balance and click on this balance. Let me restart everything over here, and then right after hitting on restart, is going to bring me back to this section. So all I need to do is to set up a Whop payment button account. Just have to click on that button and then come to the section, select the country. The countries have been listed. Move the mouse button from, or you can click on the default country like United States and select your country over here. So all you need to do is to select your country. Like I'm in Ghana right now, so I just have to hit on that and then hit on next, and just wait for it to load, and they are going to move me to Stripe. So you know what, Whop doesn't pay you if you are doesn't pay you through your bank account, but rather to an Stripe account. You just have to get yourself a Stripe account. By creating an account on Stripe is very easy. So if you want me to do a dedicated video on that, I can do it to help you guys. Yes, you can leave that in the comment section and I'll help you with that video. So you just have to click on that, and then let me switch. Yeah, so you can see over here they have it has loaded me to Stripe over here. So this is the Stripe account, and I need to provide them with my Stripe Gmail account, the valid Gmail account that I used in creating the Stripe account. Stripe is like PayPal, so you just have to provide them with the Gmail or the email that you used in order to submit it. After giving them the Gmail, you just have to hit on submit over here, and they are going to add it to your account. So you just have to type in your phone number to verify everything over here. So you can see the country code have been selected. So you can just type in your phone number to get it verified on this account. And right after doing that, all you need to do is to come to this section to add your social network. So if you are using YouTube or any of these social networks to promote it, you can just come to the section where it says plus button over here. So before then, let me go straight to my YouTube channel and then hit on this bio section. You can see that there is a pick code over here over here that is being pasted, this 5 digit code or 6 digit code over here. This is what you can use to verify that you've pasted everything. So after pasting your YouTube link, like what I'm going to do right now, yes, I can hit on add over here, and they are going to provide me with this kind of code over here. Just have to copy and then paste it in my bio, like what I'm doing right now. I can just paste it right now and then save it, and right after saving it, I have to come back to the platform and hit on verify. And right, if I hit on verify, my web it is going to show connected, like what you see right now. These things are being connected. So you can do it like you are just going to repeat the process on both TikTok and then YouTube. So it's not all that important to redo it again to show you how to do it on TikTok. It's very easy. Just edit your bio and then paste the code over there, and simple as that, you're going to make money with it. So I don't know what is left again. If I forgot to say anything, you just have to leave that in the comment section, and I will do a dedicated video on that. As simple as that. So this is how you can make money with this whop.com platform. If you have anything, you can leave that in the comment section. Like the video, turn on the bell icon, and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. See you next one. Stay safe, and then peace out.